Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting an Apple ID and ensuring the iPhone is updated and charged. This avoids interruptions. Once done, open Move to iOS on Android or prepare manual exports for contacts and photos. You will grant temporary Wi-Fi access between devices, then select what to move: messages, contacts, media. Make sure to keep both devices awake and plugged in. This first action quickly moves your essentials, so you can continue setting up apps and accounts without delay. Once your data is on the iPhone, sign into your Apple ID and then add your Google account to sync mail and calendars. That keeps continuity. Next, open the App Store and reinstall the apps you used on Android. Make use of subscriptions and sign into each app to restore purchases. Enable iCloud for photos and contacts to centralize backups and set up two-factor authentication for security. Make sure to confirm app permissions so notifications and background refresh work correctly. You finish by customizing your home screen, widgets, and gestures so the phone behaves like you expect. This makes daily use faster. Then verify iCloud backup is enabled and run an immediate backup so nothing is lost. If something went wrong, apps missing, or data incomplete, sign out and back into Apple ID, re-download the app, and check region or App Store differences. If contacts or photos didn't transfer, import the exported files manually. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.